these are the propeller guards. You get 2 of them. What else? It comes with a carrier bag, but not plasticky, but it's material, but it's quite hard surface, so it's pretty good for traveling. Before we go into this, let's find out what else is in the package. Right, this looks like everybody's favorites: documents, user guides, safety manuals, warranty cards, etc. Power plug, the USB power plug. Looks like batteries. Yep, you get 3 smart batteries with the combo. If you're only buying the Mavic Mini drone without the combo, you would only get 1 battery. But because this is the Fly Mode combo, you get 3 batteries, which is pretty good to increase the flight time. Right, here we go. Let's open this up. See what's inside this nice travel bag. Wow. Wow, there it is. That's your power pack or the battery charger. You can charge 3 batteries at the same time. Also, the good thing about this is you can use this as a power bank as well. So if you need to charge your phone or anything like that, you can connect it to this power outlet and charge your phone. And also you can see there are some lights, so you can check your battery power as well. If you press this power button once, it'll show you the battery charge. Very handy. And also this can be your battery carrier as well. Pretty cool. Got some more cables. What's in here? You get 3 cables to connect your phone, depending on your the phone type, whether it's Apple or Samsung or any other type. You get 3 different cables. Let's open up. There you go. One end connects to the remote control and the other end connects to your phone. The USB power cables, you can also connect these to your computer as well. You get 2 of them. Alright, there are some spare propellers that will come in handy if you manage to break your propellers. Okay, what's this? 2 spare joysticks. A screwdriver. 3 packs of spare propellers with screws. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 propellers in each of these bags, so you get 12 extra propellers altogether. That's very cool. That's your screwdriver to screw these in. Let's open up. There it is. That's your screwdriver. Right, let's check out the remote. You got some instructions here as well on how to start this up. You can check the battery by just pressing this power button here. If you press it just once, it'll show you how much battery you got left in this. That's the home button, the camera button, and the record button. Let's open this. This is where your phone goes and your joysticks. So you got 4 joysticks altogether. Feels pretty good in your hands. Let's try the main man, the DJI Mavic Mini. Open the legs. You got the instructions here on how to do this anyway. So there it is. It shows the weight here as well. And that's the camera cover. We can go ahead and remove this. That's your camera. It's got a cool look to it. That's where the SD card goes and the USB cable. That's the battery door. Let's go ahead and put a battery in actually. Should we turn this thing on? That's the power button. Press this once, it will show you how much battery you got left as well. And if you want to turn this on, you press it once and then long press. There you go. It's on. It's blinking now because it's not linked to my it's not connected to my phone or the DJI app. Okay, so there it is, and I just can't wait to fly this and do some reviews, do some more videos for you guys. I'll do some more comparisons and some tutorials. So stick with us, press the subscribe button please, and if you like this video, press that thumbs up button. That'll help me a lot, and hit that notification button as well, that little bell button next to your subscribe button. So there it is. Can't wait to fly you. Right, we will see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.